Hi, this is Chris from Pear Tree Refinishers. Today I'm spraying the fronts of cabinet doors and some shelves for Wayne and Sally up in Lakewood Ranch. This first panel I'm doing, I haven't altered the speed of the video just so you can see how fast it goes to spray a door this size. For the first coat, I'm doing a single pass in one direction. After about 90 minutes, I'll spray a second pass bi-directional coat, spraying with my airless setup, which really moves things along pretty quickly. I think there are about 75 panels with a couple 5-foot doors. Takes about 30 to 40 minutes to spray all the panels, but it is all the prep work it takes to get to this point, which takes most of the time. These will be on dry racks with a circulating fan and a dehumidifier going overnight, and will be silky smooth by the morning with a nice satin sheen. Up next, installing and finishing this project in Lakewood Ranch. Thanks for watching.